Hi everyone, welcome to Choice. In this video, we will talk about the unique feature of C-Quant in Jiffy. What is C-Quant? C-Quant is a unique trading strategy thoroughly backtested and statistically validated by the research division to facilitate trading. It features a curated list of the top 200 stocks listed on the NSE ranked by market capitalization and average daily traded volume. Jiffy C-Quant features the T+5 strategy, which is a short-term trading strategy for traders looking at gains from 2% and above within 5 trading days of trade execution. Benefits of Jiffy C-Quant: access to high-probability short-term trading ideas which have been rigorously developed and backtested using quantitative and statistical methodologies. Minimum risk to reward trades of 2:1. Live updates, time-sensitive trading ideas, so never miss a buy or exit recommendation. Where can you find C-Quant in Jiffy? Log in to Jiffy. Click on the Research section at the bottom of the page. Tap on the All section just above the footer. Click on the C-Quant drop-down and you will find the research recommendations. Register now on Jiffy and keep trading. Thank you for watching the Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.